Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars with a PS5 controller. First, make sure your DualSense controller is charged. Then, enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. To pair, press and hold the Create button and the PlayStation button simultaneously until the light bar flashes. This indicates it's ready to connect to your device. Once the controller's light bar is flashing, open your device's Bluetooth settings. You should see DualSense wireless controller appear in the available devices list. Tap on it to initiate the pairing process. A confirmation message will usually appear, and the controller's light bar will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Now that your controller is paired, open Brawl Stars. The game should automatically detect the connected controller. If not, go into the game's settings menu. Look for an option related to controls or controller support and ensure it's enabled. This step is crucial for the game to recognize your DualSense input. With controller support active, you can often customize button mappings within Brawl Stars settings to suit your playstyle. Experiment with different layouts to find what feels most comfortable. Practice in a few friendly matches to get accustomed to the new controls. You'll likely find the DualSense offers greater precision and a more immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.